welcome back to my channel and welcome back to an unboxing video for the new and my very first Boxyluxe from BoxyCharm. I upgraded to a Boxyluxe for the month of December. I actually didn't upgrade on time for the other month, like 3 months ago, because this Boxyluxe is only available every 3 months, and like they send you an email if you want to upgrade to a Boxyluxe. It is, I think, $20 or $21 more that they charge, or $19. I will put the info here on all that so you guys can see. Monthly BoxyCharms are $20, and you upgrade to a Boxyluxe if they send you an email, and then they charge you twice. So they charge you for your original like BoxyCharm from every month, and then they'll charge you the extra $19, $20 for the Boxyluxe. And the Boxyluxe is basically just a bigger BoxyCharm box with more products. And honestly, for being my first one, I'm obsessed. I'm already looking forward to the one we're gonna get in 3 months, which I hope is as good as this one. The box, as you guys can see, is definitely much bigger. It's almost, oh crap, the size of my head, or 2 of my heads. But yeah, it's really big. That's what she said. Guys, I'm sorry, my mind's always in the gutter. I can't help it. I'm such an idiot. Anyways, 'tis the sea sun. Here's a little pamphlet, and here's the box. Obviously, I have opened it already. I did just do the unboxing for my Spanish channel, and I kind of have to like put everything back in for you guys. It's just a whole deal. Anyways, let's start with the unboxing. I'm still excited for all these things, so I'm still gonna tell you I'm excited and super excited. But the first thing is this Glam AF little wristlet clutch thing, and I actually really like these because for me they come in handy when you don't want to carry a big purse or a backpack. Throw your phone in, cash, your card, keys, and you're good to go out the door with this cute little bag. I mean, it says Glam AF. That's so cute. And then it also, inside it, had a little portable charger, so it's not too thick, and it's not it's not too big. It's the perfect little portable charger to keep in here, and then put all your junk. Everything will fit perfectly. So that's the first thing, and this retails for $22. And it's, yeah, Crimes of Beauty. That's pretty good. I personally really love that. Moving on to this thing, which when I saw it, I was like, what is that? I didn't want that, but when I smelt it, I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. So this is from the brand Spongel. It's a body wash infused buffer, and it smells so freaking good. When I opened the box, I was like, what smells so good? And then I opened this. It's, you know what? The scent reminds me of, what is it? Peony? I don't know how to pronounce it, guys.
Peony. You guys know what I'm trying to say.
But that's what it smells like. And I've always liked that scent from Bath & Body Works since I was younger. And that's what it smells like. Oh, I can't wait to use it. My box is all like super scented because I've had it for a while. I just haven't gotten around to making this video for you guys until now. And this retails for $20. Girl, I'm gonna wash my body with a $20 buffer. Okay, BoxyCharm. Next is this cream from the brand Elemis. I don't know how to pronounce it, guys, but it's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream.
Ooh, girl, for my wrinkles. Gotta nip those in the bud before they start coming out.
This retails for $89. Well, is it gonna like make me 10 years younger or what? I need to pour the whole thing on me right now. Oh, excuse me. Let me see what this looks like, because $89? I don't think I've owned any skincare products over $50. So $89? Oh, it smells.
Oh my gosh, girl.
If I don't end up using it, I'm gonna give it to my mom. Be like, Mom, do you want this anti-wrinkle cream? Because
me, I'm gonna be like, am I younger yet? I'm so stupid, guys.
Anyways, moving on. $89. I'm a little shook with that. That's like doubles the price of the whole Boxyluxe that we got this month. And then we have all the other products. Okay. Let's moving on. Let's moving on. I can't even speak. Let's move on because I'm shook. The other thing is this Grand or Grande or Grandee. Grand. I think it's Grand. Cosmetics Grand Mascara. Retails for $25. Dang. All these things are expensive. This mascara. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm smelling mascara. Just force of habit. I just want to know what it smells like.
Smells like a mascara.
Anyways, oh, it's a lash. Oh, I almost dropped it. It's a lash boosting formula. We're gonna have to give this a try because I need my little lashes too. They need a boost. So that mascara came in here too. We also got a Tarte shimmering lip paint. I've never tried these, but you guys know I'm getting into lip glosses now as well. This retails for $20. Okay, this box is definitely worth the price that I paid. 110% worth it. It's going to look clear in the swatch, but it's kind of like a pinky, like a very light pinky gloss with like, it's like glitters, specks, blue, purple, pink. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It's really, really pretty. I actually really, really like it. So I'm excited to wear that. This, I was so excited for when I saw it. I got the Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Look at how cute this little powder is. It comes in like, you know, a little setting powder, little container. But look at, it's just so cute. The sponge, the powder's in there. The sponge is so cute. Their packaging is so cute. I have a blush from them that I'm like obsessed with. So if this powder is as good as that blush, ooh girl, all my other setting powders need to move to the side because I hope that one's really good. And that retails for $32. That's okay. So we're going into the things that I'm most excited for from this box. And if I only got these things, I would have been happy. So the first thing, we got 2 eyeshadow palettes in this month's Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe. 2 palettes that I was like, excuse me, 2 palettes. The first palette, and I already own this palette, is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. And this is like my Holy Grail palette. I've used the heck out of the one I have. I actually bought this palette back when it first launched, and I fell in love with it. I used it so much. I hit pan on a couple shadows. So I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to give it away to someone instead of opening it because I already have it. But I was so happy for that. Next, and those retail for $45. Next is the Suva Beauty Protégé palette. And I've wanted to try Suva Beauty eyeshadows for a while. I've heard great things about them. A lot of people say that they're really good, pigmented. And this is what the palette looks like from the front. Now look at this palette, these colors. This is me in a color, and it has it in this palette. I'm so excited for this freaking palette. These 2 colors look beautiful as highlighters, inner corner highlights. I'm so excited. I love the name of this color. My color is called Aesthetic because it's just so aesthetically perfect, pleasing to the eye, to my eye. That's like my favorite color. So I'm so excited for that. And then lastly, oh, this palette retails for, where's it at? $34. Damn, Suva Beauty. I didn't know you guys were kind of pricey. So I'm excited I got that. Last but not least, the thing I'm most excited for, this set of Luxie brushes. Yes, Luxie brushes. I have been in love with Luxie brushes since I was receiving them in my Ipsy bags. They would send one. I received, I think, a couple in other months on the regular BoxyCharm boxes. So when I saw this set, girl, I yelled. I was so excited. I was like, yes! because I was already looking into buying a set of Luxie brushes. That's how obsessed with them I am. Did that make sense? That's how obsessed I am with them. Yeah, that's how it goes. This is the Luxie Complete Face Set, and I'm so freaking excited for this set. Retails $65. Girl, I got such a steal on all of this stuff this month. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped for next Boxyluxe and the next BoxyCharms. Definitely keeping the subscription, clearly, if you cannot tell. But yeah, this set of brushes, oh, I'm so freaking excited. And I missed last Boxyluxe, which was 3 months ago, because I forgot to sign up for it. But when I remembered, I was like, shit, I forgot to sign up for it. I'm signing up for December already. Hopefully, I got my email. They said, would you like to upgrade? Da, da, da. I said, hell yes. I approved it right away. I'm so excited. But yeah, anyways, I know I'm so extra, so dramatic. But these are the brushes. It has 7, yeah, 2, 4, never mind, 8. Damn, girl, you know how to count. So it has 3 big ones, like face ones in the back. I already know I'm going to use this one for highlighter, and then these 5 in the front. This little one is a lip brush. So yeah, I am obsessed with everything I got in this box. Even the face cream for the wrinkles. That shit's expensive. Let me know what you thought of this month's Boxyluxe. If you got the Boxyluxe, what you thought of this month's BoxyCharm. Some of these things I think are the ones that are part of the BoxyCharm, like the regular box. Let me know what you thought about that. I'm definitely waiting for next Boxyluxe because I'm excited for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.